Welcome to ATAS India Quarterly News Bulletin. During National Council of Indian Scout Guide Fellowship in Kokarnag, Jammu and Kashmir, ATAS member meet in leadership of ATAS India President, Honorable Retired Chief Justice Kalpesh S. Javeri, National Convener M.A.K. Miki, National Coordinator Dr. Pradeep K.P., National Executive Council member Srimati Seema Rathi and Deven Sakhare were joined by Ratnesh Kohru, Sumit Gahletia, Girish Yadav and other members. ATAS India will organize its next gathering in Ayodhya. There will be special foreign invitee guests, Captain Gayan Prasad Kamara Vithagne, President Sri Lanka Queens and President Scout Guild, and Sri Gunasilan T, Patron NRI Guild Scout and Guide Fellowship Malaysia will join us. ATAS India gathering took place during 4th Indian Scout and Guide Fellowship Railway Gathering at Sikandrabad on 8 June 2024 in leadership of National Convener M.A.K. Miki, National Coordinator Dr. Pradeep K.P., National Executive Committee member Srimati Seema Rathi were present with others. World Organization of the Scout Movement WOSM has conferred Bronze Wolf Award to M.A. Khalid. He is advisor for ATAS India and additional National Chief Commissioner of Bharat Scout and Guides. M.A. Khalid played an important role to start ATAS activities in India during 7th APR Summit 2010 in Bangalore. This year, ATAS India started M.A. Khalid Top Achiever recognition for its member to honor his contribution to ATAS India. ATAS India National Management Committee member Sudhanshu Sekhar played an important role to celebrate 10 years of Indian Scout Guide Fellowship and Bharat Scout and Guide activities in Union Territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Many events were organized to celebrate this. ATAS India National Convener M.A.K. Miki, ATAS India National Management Committee member Srimati Seema Rathi joined with Sudhanshu Sekhar to grace the occasion and felicitated the participants. Sri Lanka Queen and President Scout Guild had its annual meeting on 10th of March, Colombo. Formally, they elected their team and president in the guild. In this event, ATAS India sent souvenir to strengthen bond between two nations. Dr. Somnath Yadav, State Coordinator for ATAS India Chhattisgarh, has been appointed State Chief Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guide for Chhattisgarh State. ATAS India greets him on this occasion.